are having a lot of serious trading opportunities that could likely show itself. So on the monthly time frame, we are very bullish. I've been very bullish for a very long time. Since December 2015, I've been massively bullish. So now price is likely making a retracement because I've been quite bullish for some time. So it needs to make that retracement, either to come and take out this inducement or to tap into this zone here before it moves to the upside. But on a shorter scale, but which is still large, if you go to the 1 week time frame, you can see that on the 1 week time frame, we have already tapped into major liquidity. If you look closely here, you can see that price has taken out our inducement cleanly, just like what I've been teaching in the free Telegram channel. Price has taken out this inducement and has tapped into a decisional order block, meaning we may see likely momentum to the upside, just like what we had over here. After price had tapped into this inducement and had filled in this fair value gap that was created by this order block here, price moved massively to the upside. Same thing that happened here in 2022. Price took out this inducement and tapped in to the upside massively. So you could also see such massive potential. And if you also go to the 1 day time frame, we are seeing something similar to that as well. On the 1 day time frame, price took out an inducement, gave us a reaction to the upside, but filled in a POI here on the 1 hour and gave us this move to the downside. And now it has given us this move to the downside. It has tapped into our extreme order block on the lower time frame. Is our on the 1 day time frame is our POI on the 1 week. So these POIs align and you can see massive moves to the upside between this week or the next week. Then once you go to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing something quite different. But on the 4-hour time frame, price is bearish. But for it to consider bearish move, it has to come and take out this liquidity here, this inducement, or filling at least this order flow here. So if that happens and price actually wants to go down, it will be from this point here. But the chances are very high that it will be from this point here if you actually want to continue going down. But it's the market, anything can happen. So on the 1 hour time frame as well, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, we are also bearish, and our POIs on the 4-hour and 1 hour are somehow aligned. On the 4 hours, this is our inducement level here. On the 1 hour, it's a little bit lower, but still within that same order flow on the 4-hour time frame. So if you look closely here, if I zoom in, for price to continue going to this upside, like I said, considering the 4-hour time frame, price actually have to fill in a POI here, and I refine this 4-hour POI to this 1 hour zone here. So this is a very high probability setup. Yes, it could fail, but the chances of it playing out is very high. But that doesn't mean you should risk irresponsibly. Please risk responsibly. So in case this setup doesn't work out, you have enough capital to move on to the next setup, and we make money off of any setups regardless of the outcome of only this one trade. So let's see how this trade eventually plays out.